Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to insert the values into the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So once you create the database, you will use that particular database, then you will create the table. And once you create the table, it's very much important to insert the values into the table. Okay, so today in this particular video, I'm going to show you the query like how you can insert the values into the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's see how we can insert. So here you can see like I have already created two tables, like the table number one is student details and another table is record details. Okay, so now suppose if I want to insert the values into this particular table student details means, for that what you can do is like you can use the query insert into the table name, like I want to insert the values into the student details, and the parameters or the column names in that particular table is student age, student name, and the student class. Okay, so student age I will just take it out here and I will just copy it, and student name, so I will just take the student name, and student class. Okay, so I will take all these parameters or the columns and I will just copy it here, and once I copy it, now it's important to enter the values. Okay, so here I have given the three column names and now the values, and the values will be like for student age, the age is something like 18, and student name, we'll give some name for the student name, like I will just try to give it as Harish, and the student class. Okay, so let's imagine that student is studying in the 10th class. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so control enter. Okay, so I'm getting some error like error code unknown column Harish in the field list. Okay, sorry guys, like here I forgot to give the parenthesis. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. So now you can see that particular query has been executed successfully, and we have entered the details into the student details table. Okay, so in the student details table, like here you can see the three values like the student age, student name, and the student class has been entered. Okay, so similarly, like you can enter the multiple values into that particular table. So for that particular, like you can just copy this query again, and here you can change the values. Okay, so here I will just change it as some 16, and here instead of Harish I will just try to give it as John, and here I will try to change it as 8. Okay, student age is 16 and the student name is John and student class is 8. Again I will try to run this particular cell or the query. Okay, so here you can see that two different values has been inserted into the table student details. Okay, so this is how you can enter the values into the table. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.